Welcome! In front of me I have Cubot W03 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the glorified application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the application by tapping on the icon. After the application opens, you should see the home page. Now, tap on the device icon to open the device page, and here you should see the device page for your W03 watch. Now, tap on the Unbind button and tap on Confirm. The watch will disappear from the device page. Now you can close the application. You can also check the Bluetooth settings or connection menu on your phone to check if you have the watch right here on the list of previously connected devices. If it is here, you can tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on Forget Device and Forget Device to confirm, to remove it from this list. And if it's gone from this list, it means that the watch is completely unpaired from your phone. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.